Hi, in this video we're going to go over the basics of HTML. HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It's the language we use to describe things on the web. So if you open up Chrome or some other browser, but I'll show you how to do it on Chrome, you can see the HTML behind the web pages you view by right-clicking or doing Control-click on a Mac if you don't have a right-click option. And then under Elements, you'll see all of this. This is markup. It's Hypertext Markup Language. And this is how we specify what we want a web page to look like, essentially, and the structure behind it. Some elements of structure don't actually directly correspond to what the appearance is. There are also some other websites we can use to prototype HTML. So CodePen.io is a good website. You can go here, click New Pen. You should probably get an account if you're going to do these videos. It's pretty easy to use. Sorry, really quickly, let me make this a little bigger. Does not seem to be liking that. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I was on the wrong view. Okay, but if we come over here, let me make it the right size again. You can come over here and type HTML, and it will show up over here. So you can try typing that yourself. It'll show up. This will be a version, sort of a preview of what the web page will look like. There's another site I like to use a lot. bin.com. And it'll let you do the same thing. Both of these will also let you do CSS and JavaScript. And so here will be the output over here. And this lets you toggle on and off the HTML pretty easily. But we'll mostly be using CodePen in these tutorials for me to show you the basics of how to use HTML. So keep in mind a couple of things, a couple takeaways. HTML is how you look. It tells you what the website will look like. You can look at the HTML of any website you're on by inspecting the page. We can write HTML in these code editors, and it's a markup language, which means it takes regular text like this message here, and it adds annotations in this special format so that the browser, which is this program, knows what to do.